What exactly is future technology? By definition, it's the study and development of innovations that could shape the way we live, work, and connect in the years ahead. But beyond the definition, future technology is imagination made real. It's about asking, what's possible? What's next? And how far can we go? Today on Videopedia, we'll explore everything you need to know about future technology, from breakthroughs in science to the visions that may transform human life. Think about it. Just 20 years ago, most people had no smartphones, no social media, and no streaming. What feels ordinary today once seemed like science fiction. That's the pattern of technology. It sneaks up on us until suddenly, the future is here. So what's next? Several technologies are already changing the rules. Artificial intelligence that learns, creates, and collaborates with humans. 3D printing, not just for prototypes, but for houses, medical implants, and even food. Autonomous vehicles, from self-driving cars to delivery drones. Smart cities where sensors optimize traffic, energy, and safety. These aren't dreams, they're unfolding right now. In healthcare, future tech could be life-changing. Gene editing tools like CRISPR may cure inherited diseases. Robotic surgeons already perform delicate operations with precision. Wearable devices track our health in real time, predicting problems before they happen. The future of medicine could mean living longer, healthier lives. But future technology isn't just about gadgets, it's about survival. With climate change looming, we'll need clean energy breakthroughs. Solar, wind, and even new nuclear designs could power a greener planet. Some visionaries even explore geoengineering, technologies that could reshape Earth's climate. Exciting or terrifying? Maybe both. And then there's space. Companies are developing reusable rockets, planning Mars missions, and dreaming of asteroid mining. Future technology might not just change Earth, it could expand humanity across the solar system. For the first time, colonizing other planets feels less like fiction and more like a countdown. But every leap forward comes with risk. What if AI replaces too many jobs? What about privacy in a world of constant surveillance? And who controls technologies that could change life for billions? Future tech is thrilling, but it also demands responsibility. So what is future technology? More than circuits and code. It's the story of humanity's boldest dreams and the choices we make to turn them into reality. This has been Videopedia, everything you need to know about future technology. If this glimpse into tomorrow inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Because the future doesn't just happen, it's built. This has been Videopedia, everything you need to know about future technology. If this glimpse into tomorrow inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Because the future doesn't just happen, it's built.